Hi, good morning, ELA students. I just want to make sure that today that you're spending a lot of your time working with your partners in shared documents to go over your newscasts. But today's lesson really has to do with how making short nonfiction writing pack a punch. And so today I wanted to make a connection to Dr. Anthony Fauci because everything he seems to be saying about the coronavirus seems to be connecting to people. So one of the things that he said recently was that you've got to be realistic. And you've got to understand that you don't make the timeline, the nature of the outbreak. That's so frustrating and in many respects a bit frightening and intimidating is that it putters along and you think you're okay. And then he says then it starts to go up a little and then bingo, it's up in an exponential way. So I want to really point out that the type of words that you use, the emphasis of the vivid details that you use, the specific phrases, if you use a prophetic or elegant language, it really does have an impact on your writing. So the teaching point today is I want journalists know that nonfiction writing can be short but still pack a punch. They use specific techniques to make certain words, phrases, and lines lift to the level of the whole piece. One way they learn this is from acknowledged masters. So again, who are really great wordsmiths, who are elegant writers? Those are your mentors. People like Fauci who speak to the medical issues of today, they can speak elegantly and sort of calm the public to it. So with your partners in your newscast today, I want you to take a look at your writing. Where do you see places where you can add vivid physical details? Where do you see elegant words or some kind of profound message that you can elevate or even expand? And also, do you have a powerful ending to your newscasts? Try to find a delightful jolt or a clever ending to your piece. So that's what you're going to work on today. And please, again, work with your partners, even though it's distance. Thanks.